everyone. Today we will see the concept of artificial intelligence. The basic concept of artificial intelligence includes what is artificial intelligence, foundation of artificial intelligence and the state of art AI of today, intelligence agents and the structure of the agents. Simple definition of artificial intelligence. Basically, it is a branch of computer science that creates intelligent machines that think and act like a humans. It is one of the revolutionary technology that peoples are fascinated by because of its ability to relate their daily lives. AI enables machine to think, learn and adapt to enhance and automate the task across the industry. Artificial intelligence has many subsets that focuses on different aspects of mimicking human beings. Machine learning is one of the popular subsets of artificial intelligence. It includes the deep learning, natural language processing also. The another definition for this artificial intelligence that enables the machine and computer to perform the tasks that typically require human intelligence. It allows the system to learn from data, recognize the pattern and make a decision to solve the complex problems. It simulates the human intelligence through learning and reasoning, processing the large amount of data to identify the patterns and insights, continuously improves the performance using experiences and feedback. So this is the one-line statement for artificial intelligence, machines that replicates the human-like thinking and analyze the vast data to make a decision. The few examples of artificial intelligence are ChatGPT, Google Translate, Tesla, Netflix, and many more. So AI uses the algorithms to train the dataset that will generate AI models and that leads the computer to perform the task like recommending the songs, googling the route direction, or providing the text translation between the two languages. History of artificial intelligence. Artificial intelligence has evolved since its inception in the mid-20th century. Initially, AI focused on automating the simple tasks, and with advancement in the machine learning and deep learning, it made significant improvement in understanding and processing the data. Today's AI influences various fields including healthcare, finance, automobiles. Some of key milestones in the history of AI are: in 1920, Karel Appel played a name Rossum's Universal Robots opens in London, first use of the word robot in English. 1956, John McCarthy, a professor at Dartmouth College, that coined the term artificial intelligence. In 1966, the natural language processing technology introduced by the Joseph uh, Weizenbaum. In 1997, Deep Blue was the first program to beat a human chess champion, Grey Kasparov. In 2012, AlexNet is a convolutional neural network architecture that was designed by Sir Alex. In 2020, the OpenAI started the beta testing, that is the GPT 3, and nowadays GPT 5 and 6 are the buzzword. Goal of artificial intelligence: to create expert system, to implement human intelligence in machine, to develop problem-solving ability, to allow continuous learning, and to encourage the social intelligence and creativity. What contributes to AI? The different AI is the field that combines various scientific and technological disciplines, which include computer science, biology, psychology, linguistics, mathematics, and engineering. But the main objective of AI is to develop a computer program that performs the task with reasoning, learning, and solving problems similar to human intelligence. The difference between AI programming and traditional coding is that in AI programming that can handle the complex and undefined problem, and traditional coding that can handle the well-defined and predictable problems. In AI programming that uses data-driven methodology and algorithms, traditional coding relies on explicit logic and rules. AI programming produces model that makes the prediction or a decision, and traditional coding supports and generate the specific functional softwares. AI programming utilizes frameworks and libraries like TensorFlow, PyTorch, SciPy. Traditional coding commonly uses languages like Python, Java. AI programming involves validation of model accuracy, and traditional coding focuses on the debugging. AI programming models learn the pattern from data, and traditional coding focuses on execution of the program. Working of AI. The data can be collected from different sources, pre-process it, and model will be trained on the pre-processed data and make a decision for predicting the output. The step-by-step procedure of working of AI in detail: data collection. AI system rely on large data sets which could include the images, text, census reading. For example, teaching an AI to recognize cats, we collect a dataset of labeled cat images. Processing and learning, the algorithms to analyze data and identify the patterns. For example, it learns to recognize key features like a cat shape, ears, and whiskers, helping it understand the data. Model training, the AI model is trained using data and adjusting its internal parameters to improve its prediction. With more data, the model becomes more accurate and better at recognizing new examples like unseen images of cats. Decision making: once the model is trained, it can be used what it has learned to make a decision. For example, it can find whether a new image contains a cat based on the pattern it learned during the training, and the feedback and improvement it can improve through the feedbacks. The challenges in AI. The main challenges in implementing the AI includes data quality and accessibility. AI requires large and high quality and relevant dataset for effective learning. Technical expertise. Implementing AI algorithm and model requires skilled professional. Ethical and legal concern. It it is important to make sure that the AI systems are fair, unbiased, and do not harm anyone's safety. Integrating the AI with existing system. So cost: developing and maintaining of AI infrastructure is expensive. Features of artificial intelligence. There are so many features of the artificial intelligence. First one, ability to learn. AI system can improve their performance eventually by learning from data and past experiences. Logical decision making. AI systems are fed with large amount of data to understand and recognize the pattern for analysis and decision making. Adaptability. AI system can adjust and adapt to change in a data. Efficient automation. AI would efficiently execute the repetitive task and the process. Versatility. AI can be widely used in various tasks and like a business, automotive, health, and many more. Features of AI. There are four features, significant features of AI. Rise of multimodal, emergence of agentic platform for AI development, optimization of AI performance, and last one is the uh, democratize, democratize AI access. Application of AI, healthcare, finance, retail, autonomous vehicle, robots, manufacturers. The terminology which are mainly used in artificial intelligence are machine learning, deep learning, neural network, natural language processing, computer vision, reinforcement learning, supervised learning, unsupervised learning. Supervised learning, unsupervised learning, these are the parts, and semi-supervised learning, these are the parts of machine, subset of the machine learning. Data mining, agents, algorithm, training data, models, overfitting, underfitting, and cognitive computing. So these are the main terminologies which are included in the artificial intelligence. Types of artificial intelligence.